If you want to move photos to an album on Facebook, this quick guide will help you organize your pictures easily. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Now tap on the Photos section and open the image you want to move. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon on the photo. Here, you should see an option called Move to Album or Add to Album. Tap on it and select the album where you want to move the photo. Um, if you don't see this option, go back to your profile and check if professional mode is enabled. In some cases, turning it off can bring back missing photo options. To do that, tap the three dots on your profile, find professional mode, and switch it off if needed. Once done, go back and try again. The move option should now appear. And yeah, that's how you can move photos to an album on Facebook and keep your profile organized.